Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with Cash for Apps. So here you can see the weekend contest. Download the top 3 offers to enter the win one of 50 $10 gift cards. Winner will be emailed on Monday. So here I have 3 offers. I can do this, and once you tap on any of the offer, you can see the steps like here. Download and test the app for 30 to 60 seconds. Complete any tutorials. Do not switch the internet from Wi-Fi to 3G. Can remove the app once you get points. And here the rewards like you are seeing here. You can select different type of country, iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, eBay, Target, and more. Next is the Canada. So iTunes, Amazon, and Steam. So here. Next is the UK. Next is Germany, and here comes the Italy, and here comes the France, and next here comes the Spain, and here comes the other. So here's my link so that you can install the app and get 20 points when you enter the code. And if I invite iOS users, I get 90 points. If I invite Android users, I get 40 points. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon, please.